Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda today in this training video, we will learn about folder actions in DMS. Although there are several folder actions available, but in this session, we will focus on sharing a folder by generating an external link to share the folder with third-party users. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. How is an external access link generated for the folder when sharing it with third-party users? How to provide access to an external link? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, the user must have DMS form access. Share folder by generating external link. To share a folder with third-party users, an external access link can be generated. This link allows users to outside your organization to view or access the folder without requiring any tenant account. When creating the link, user can specify access level such as view only to control how external users access the folder content. Once generated, the link can be copied and shared directly with the recipients, providing them secure and controlled access to the folder. For example, the user wants to share a folder of project files with a freelance designer. So, user generate an external link with view-only permission and send it to them. They can open the folder and access the documents, but they can't change anything. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Select Marketing Projects folder and click the three ellipses next to the folder name. These are the folder actions available in the DMS. Select Share Folder action from the list. A pop-up will appear on the user's screen, allowing them to select whom the folder should be shared with. The user selects the access level from the drop-down options, which include View Access and No Access. By default, No Access is selected. After selecting the access level, the user clicks the Generate External Link button. An info message then appears on the screen, confirming that the link has been generated successfully. Click cross icon to close the message. Click the Copy button to copy the link. An information message will then appear on the screen confirming that the link has been copied. Click cross icon to close the message. To verify, the user opens a new browser tab, pastes the copied link, and is able to successfully access the folder and its documents via the generated external link. If the user wants to remove access later, they can either delete the link by clicking the delete icon or change the access level from the drop-down menu from View Access to No Access. Currently, I am clicking the delete button to remove the link and provide confirmation by clicking OK. The link is successfully deleted and a confirmation message appears on the screen. Click cross icon to close the message. So, in this video, we have covered how to share a folder with third-party users by generating external link. The remaining actions will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.